All right, here we are. Ed and Julie's Chicken and Quail Ranch. And Tabby's taking care of the babies. And Sadie's taking care of the babies. They're both watching out for them. Say hi, Tabby. What do you think, Sades? Yes. And here are the little chickens. Little babies. This is what we tell the dogs they are. They're the babies, so they'll protect them. This is the brood of Julie bought, which is actually pretty cool. Just set it up on the floor. And the little chickens are good. And here are the quail. 30 of these guys. So yes, we have turned into bird people. And it's pretty cool. Kind of amusing to watch these little guys run around. And I'm looking forward to the eggs and some good quail meat later. Yep, Tabby's excited about the babies.
Alright, guys.
Alright. This is our birdhouse. Our house has turned into a birdhouse. How about that?
Bird's nest.
A bird's nest, yes. What do you think, Sades? She's too busy watching the babies. Alright, well, welcome to our living room. That's furtive. It's filled with fowl. And the brood we put back together for the quail. And this is Mama Birdie. Mama Bird taking care of all her babies.
Clean out the water dish about 3 times a day.